Today's Igbo word of the day is Okwu, and bear with me because this one is confusing. Here I have my mom with me to explain. So here's the problem. Today's word is 7 different words, but they are all spelled A-K-W-A. Now there's a tongue twister that features all 7 words. Go! And let's translate the tongue twister.
The woman that sews cloth is crying because the chicken has laid eggs on the cloth that is sewn that is on the bed.
Now let's learn the tones. The first word.
Aqua.
Up, and that means
that sews on a machine.
The second one.
Aqua.
Flat down, and that means
fabrics or clothing.
Number 3 and 4.
Now, aqua.
Flat up, which means is crying. Number 5.
Aqua.
Flat, I think, and that means
egg.
Y'all, I'm losing track. Number 6, and this totally depends on context.
Aqua.
Flat, I think, I'm losing track. I'm sorry, this is hard. And that means
being sewn.
And number 7, my head hurts.
Aqua.
And that means bed. Some of these sound the same, so it comes down to tone and context at the end. Use your common sense.